If you need to cancel a pending transfer on Expansion Capital, follow these straightforward steps to ensure the process is completed smoothly. Step 1. Log into your account. Access your Expansion Capital account by entering your login credentials. Make sure you are using a secure network to protect your information. Step 2. Navigate to the Transfers section. Once logged in, locate the Transfers or Transactions section in your account dashboard. This area will display all your recent and pending transfers. Step 3. Identify the pending transfer. Review the list of transactions to find the specific pending transfer you wish to cancel. Click on it to view the details. Step 4. Select the Cancel option. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 5. Confirm the cancellation. Follow any prompts to confirm that you want to cancel the pending transfer. You may need to provide additional verification, such as a password or security question, to complete the cancellation. After completing these steps, you should receive a confirmation that the transfer has been successfully cancelled. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Expansion Capital's customer support for assistance.